I'm Stuart with Born Outdoor, and I'm here with Bevin Walsh. And Bevin has a unique honor of being the first person and not directly related to me to use the Badger bed, or as a good Aussie would call it, he calls it a swag, which is exactly the same thing. So I wanted to kind of just introduce Bevin, and he's as our first user, a long-time user, kind of share your experiences with it.
Yeah, so as Stewie said, been using this one of these for many years now. I can't even remember how long ago it was. I love the concept for fly in, fly out type, fly in, fly out type travel. I've got it kitted up, ready to go, and it does as good a job as any Australian swag I've had. So my background is I actually grew up in the bush in Australia. I probably spent 25% of my early life sleeping outdoors in bedrolls, as you call them over here, and this is as good as anything I've had over there. In fact, a whole lot better in most cases. Yeah, so yeah.
Yeah. So just how would you describe the differences between this swag and the swag you're used to?
Just so much lighter in the so we're used to canvas, so basically truck top hole and canvas, and just so much more comfortable. The fact that all the kit comes with it. The sheets fit, the blankets fit. You're not carrying any excess stuff around, but it's all there. I can grab it and go. This swag of yours, it sits at about, for me, about 18 inches. My swag in Australia used to be about 2.5 feet to get anywhere near the same level of comfort, and nowhere near as compact width-wise.
So can you name and describe some of the different environments you've used your bedroll?
So used it sleeping under the truck multiple times. Just in sleet, in rain, which sucks sleeping on the ground in the rain. But it wasn't a problem, except getting up in the mornings. In the heat, in hot weather, still used it. Still quite comfortable. Only problems I've ever had were insects, and guess what? No swag's going to fix them unless you get those fancy things with the poles that are really a pain in the butt.
Right.
So,
yeah, awesome. So so that's our Bevin, our first customer, and a little bit more about Born Outdoor.